Just woke up absolutely blinded by that light. Blinded by the light. 7:33 in the morning. Let's go take a morning pee. It's so bright, bro. What is that? Let's go check out where we slept. Oh my god. Why is it so bright? Holy shoot. Oh lord. These views out here are dope though. I'm just gonna pee right here. I hear something over there. Is it a fucking bear? Why is there car doors over here? This morning view is fire. I need to drive somewhere where there's Wi-Fi so I can upload. I'm thinking we drive back to the gas station. I was like, what is this from? This kind of looks like poop.
What the
Exactly. And it's like, I see these berries over here, so they're probably eating these berries.
That animal had some elote, bro. That shit.
I don't know. Is elote diarrhea?
Nah, it's corn.
Oh.
The cinematic.
You can hear like the electricity beaming off this like bing. Let me see if the mic can pick it up. You hear it or am I tripping? Bro. Oh, the Gucci slides failed me. Stubbed the shit out of my toe. You know it's bad when you stub your toe and it cracks at the same time. Just fucking punted a rock. This is just like a dump spot. Probably find some good stuff here.
Yo!
What? What? No way, is it still in there?
Nah.
Lots of glass. Watch your step out here. There might be a dead body in that bag. That's actually something that's pretty cool. Super Nintendo with it. Nice. Found a license plate. Keeping that. I'm happy with the find. You see those people on like Instagram and TikTok that think they're like water benders or air benders? Exactly. Lillooet. Let's go to the Wi-Fi, baby. Here we are at the Wi-Fi. Hopefully we get some good service over here. So we're in the rec center now. Looks like we're in like the hockey locker room. This place is like abandoned. Some showers right here. Got this almost abandoned seeming hockey rink right here. So the British guy's getting a new radiator put in his car right now, and he should be arriving back here in the next 1 to 2 hours. I'm just chilling in the parking lot of the rec center, doing some editing, getting some work done. I do still need to cook some breakfast. I'm getting hungry. I want to try to air fry some eggs. I also need to season up my chicken. I think I'm gonna cook half of my chicken. I got some chicken thighs. Need to get my seasoning going here. Get that. I also have a lot of tuna that I stocked up on. Haven't been doing much cooking on the propane. Yep, that's gross. Chicken water. Grab a couple of these baggies. Pepper it up. All right, got the eggs cooking here for like 15 minutes. Probably only need like 5 on there, honestly. Ah, spilled the salt before the Alaskan road trip. That's not a good sign.
Is that what happened? It went bad?
Oh no, the chicken? I just need to cook it before it goes bad.
Oh yeah, and then can it.
Can it? Oh, that's a good idea. You backpacking?
Yeah.
From where?
From here.
Oh, from here?
You have a bit of a American accent.
Oh, you can tell.
I can.
You have a bit of a Canadian accent there.
Yeah, a lot of I was adopted. My family was from California.
Oh, okay. What gives away the American accent?
I don't know. It's just like, you know, when you hear Johnny Cash or something, you know, you just know it's him because the voice.
Yeah.
I just smoke cigarettes. Oh yeah, the wind here is crazy. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, good.
I built it out to where I can just sleep in here.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I built my own tiny house. I got it at the coast.
No way. I'm trying to build a tiny home right now as well. How much did you put into the build? Like how much did it cost?
10,000 in cost. So I got an old trailer.
That's super cheap.
Plus my labor, so that's, you know, probably another 10. But
yeah, but you did it yourself, so it's free to you.
during COVID, yeah, there was nothing to do, so I just kept working away on it.
Those aren't quite done yet. A little more though. This is my first time air frying eggs, so it's an experiment.
It's a little bit different now with the...
Yo.
Not bad, not
They look
bad.
good.
To rent a place in Vancouver. So you guys gonna stay in Alaska for the winter?
Yeah, I'm gonna do Into the Wild. I'm gonna go find that bus. I think I'm only gonna stay there for 3 weeks tops. I just watched
I'm going to
it.
the library. I gotta
Yeah, have a good one. What was your name?
Diggs.
Diggs?
Formerly Douglas.
Mike. I said Mike's. Have a good one, Diggs.
Yeah, you guys do enjoy your breakfast.
A little bit overdone. Awesome. Chicken's all done. About to eat it real quick. Looking fire. What are you cooking up? Some eggs? Gosh. So good. We just saw a bear for the first time, my first bear ever. We chased it down. Gmo was like, there's a bear over there, and he just starts running. So I think he's trolling. I thought he was lying. So I start running over there, and I see the bear. First bear ever, chased it down. It's already 7:37. The whole day has been wasted waiting for Bobby Joe, British guy. Basically, we just sat inside the library, edited videos. I'm grinding. I'm 60 videos behind on my shorts and about 2 or 3 vlogs behind on editing. So I have approximately 20 to 30 more hours of editing to do. 5, 6, 7 hour chunk in today of just like diligently grinding. It's so much easier to work in like a library. Now we're gonna go to the Chevron gas station, basically where we slept last night, wait for the British guy to pull up, probably sleep here again so that we can do the drive in the morning and like see all the cool views. Gmo's cooking up the glizzies? Glizzy. Just been on the phone with my brother for about an hour now. Eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm gonna edit a little bit before bed. We're still waiting on the British dude. Look what the cat dragged in. He made it back. Finally.
12 hours in the mechanic, but
oh my God.
do what you gotta do. It's good as new.
Pretty remote spot we got out here. Same spot we slept last night. I'm getting ready for bed. British guy is over here. This man's getting ready for bed.
Oh, scared me, bro. I didn't even see
You didn't even see me pop up?
No. I thought that was a bear or something.
Yeah, you're gonna piss in bed tonight, buddy. Drinking all that water.
Needs to be done.
Bear guard. What is that? Oh, the blaze.
Smith & Wesson.
Really?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Got cheese and shit on it.
Cheese?
Maybe crackers.
What have you been doing with this thing?
Everything.
Here.
Once
Yeah.
it nearly fell out.
Oh my God, lose an eyeball that way. Okay, realistically, if somebody breaks into your car and you try to bear spray them, you're bear spraying yourself too.
Yeah,
Like you're bear spraying in such an enclosed area, like you're gonna get yourself probably worse than you get them.
Yeah, I would agree with that. But you know, sometimes
Biscuit for the
spend money
biscuit
to
there.
make money. you
True.
know?
Yep. Very true. Good analogy there. Nah, Gmo's setup looks like a vibe. Oh shit. You got a rave going on in there. You got access to the front right there through that hole too.
Nope.
You could crawl through there. If you
tried.
Nah, you've tried?
I can't get my second shoulder through.
You just gotta dislocate your shoulder. You're about to get stuck. See, like that's how I like the car. Like worst case scenario, somebody like comes to try to like break in, I can just start the engine and peel off this guy. What is that, an owl? You're about to do him dirty. Your intrusive thoughts won there. Not on camera. What is this, the piss jug?
Water.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. What are these, like 3 days old now?
I'm down.
Oh. I ate like 6 of these.
Bro, look at these bags of shit. Look how big that is.
Bro, you're triggering my addiction right now. Crack that bad boy open, let's party.
Yeah? You
No, I'm just kidding. I'm an addict, bro.
some cookies.
See, no, keep those away from me, bro.
This is how I get light.
We're in the middle of nowhere. I don't really need the window covers, but we'll do the window covers. Blinded by light. That's how I felt this morning. Alright. I have an idea. Oh, God. There's a bug in here. I'm going to hold a thought until the morning. So the first thing I'm gonna say when I wake up is Alaskan road trip day 3, because the first day is when he broke down. The second day was an editing day, and tomorrow's gonna be the 3rd day. I'm gonna hold that thought, and that's gonna be the first thing I say when I wake up. So let's see if I'm smart enough to remember that by the time I wake up. Good night.